Hi parents, today I'd like to share with you a very beautiful way to check the health of your child. It's very easy to check the health of a child in the physical way, the way a child will throw the ball, catch the ball, whether your child is, jumping over the sofa and here and there and tumbling and turning. All this shows very healthy childhood, especially for children in the preschool years. But how do we check the emotional well-being? How do we check their confidence and courage, especially as they grow out of their toddler years and come into the schooling years? The best way to check the health is their laughter. How do they laugh? How does your child laugh? Do they laugh fully? Do they laugh freely? Do they hold back? Is it like a muffled, stifled laugh, or is there free-flowing laugh? Laughter bursting from their stomach. So observe your child today, observe how well they laugh, and this is a very important thing that I personally do when I speak to my clients and their children. I can gauge the kind of work that needs to be done based on how they are smiling, how they are laughing. So this is something that you can check for yourself, and I hope you use this daily insight, because that will give you a lot more clarity on how you can help your child. Laughter not only is the best medicine, but also tells the health of an individual, especially young children. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. It will be in the description if you're not already part of the Parenting Club WhatsApp group. And if you haven't signed up for the next upcoming webinar, then please do sign up. I will be sharing some more amazing insights there. So talk to you soon. I'm Captain Preetham Madhukar, founder of Skills Beyond Education.